Okay, Ben, this is the brief explanation of the startup. I'm not a professional video player, video manufacturer, so anyway, obviously switched in at the wall, preferably use a surge protector just to be safe. Turn the main isolation switch on. You'll see now there's the red light on here. This is all for the air drawbar, okay? When you get the machine, I'll have this unplugged just so it doesn't get broken in transit. So you plug this in here. This is for the hand wheel. Okay, the hand wheel over there. Just make sure all your switches are reset position, and that's in the off position. And press green button here to start. It will light up, and as you can see, the screen will light up and start going through the startup process, which takes about 30 seconds. So the first thing you do when you start the machine is obviously you don't go straight into a program. So if I reset that, it takes it out. You need to get a reference point. So if you press here, reference point, you'll see that there's 3 rings there for each axis. Now what you really need to do is, because it is all the way home in Z, X and Y, first off you need to go jog. And then press the Z button on Z, X, and then Y. This gets us away from the proximity switches, so you can do it a better reference point. Then you go reference point. Always go Z first, because it can, if it's too low, it can hit a vice, so it's a good habit to get into. So press Z, X and Y, and you will see now their reference. So now you can go straight into auto. So that's the startup procedure that's required every time you start the machine. So you're better off when you shut the machine down, having it slightly off on Y, on X and Z.